the best free AI tool for character creation and face swapping. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So we will be using Fooocus AI and I will be providing a link in the description. Just simply open it up. It will open up Google Colab. Over here you would have to sign up using your Google account, and after that just simply click on this option of play over here and click on run anyway. Then wait for it to do its work and let it load. And while it is running, you would be able to see this particular section over here which says running on public URL. Just simply select this particular URL and it will redirect you to this place. Now over here you would just have to check this particular option of input image. Then it would give you a good amount of options available to you. Simply select the option of image prompt over here, and now you need to upload the image that where you want to take the reference from. Let me upload some image, and this way I would be able to give an upload. And after that you need to check the advanced option, and it would give you some more options at the bottom. Now here you need to select the option of FaceSwap. Now you need to adjust the weight of it, like how close do you want it to be. And after that you need to select the inpaint or outpaint at the top. Just simply click on it, and here you need to upload the image where you want to swap the face from. So let me select this one as well. And after that you need to select the brush icon at the right hand side and select the size of your brush. And after that just simply select the part of the face that you want to swap. If you want to swap the hairs as well, then select the hairs from this image as well. And this way you would be able to select the part that you want to swap with the earlier image that we just uploaded. So after you select this part, and after you complete the painting of your face with the brush, simply select this option of advanced at the top, and here you get different options. Now you need to select the option of, now select the advanced over here, and here you would be able to find the option of developer debug mode. Simply enable it, and after that you would get different options over here. Now you need to select the option of control. Now here you get some different options as well. You need to take the option of mixing image, prompt and inpaint, this particular option. And after that you can just simply add the prompt over here, like, and click on generate. And after this gets completed, you would be able to see your new image with the face swapped. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.